So hello and welcome back. Yes, now we have official review of the summer Lego Summer 2023 Harry Potter. So set number 76422, Diagon's Alley, Weasley Wizard, WHEEZES. Oh my god, did I say this good? Anyways, 834 pieces. Price is not really 100% sure, but I believe it's 130 US, but we will see. So the set, I don't know. I believe this was already in Diagon's Alley, the big set, but don't hold me 100% sure about that. Set comes with 7 minifigures: George and Fred Weasley, Romilda Vane, Ginny Weasley, Fred Weasley, Lavender Brown, and all post worker. So that's a lot of minifigures for 830 pieces. So what we have here, I don't know, not that huge fan of Lego Harry Potter. Even the Harry Potter is not something that I would, yeah, but I don't know, sometimes these minifigures do look really nice. And I mean, it's Harry Potter, so everybody loves Harry Potter. You cannot say anything wrong against that. So this is the front, so you can see all the minifigures, even uh, one build minifigure there. I don't know, price range should be okay. It's budget, it's not that big. And here we have some pictures from the behind. So there is a lot of stuff you can see there, and I mean, look at this. So this can fall here, here, and somewhere over here. So I don't know. Write me in comments what you think about this. Is this something that you would buy or no? If yes, why? Do you have the other one, the big model? And yeah, so basically that's that about. This is just continuation of Lego reviews, and there are plenty this year. This year is gonna be expensive to keep up with all the sets that are coming out. Even the money or the space is starting to get a problem. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and follow. And I hope I can see you in the next one.